Have you ever stopped to think about how your phone knows it's you and not somebody else? Or how your email just magically knows what's junk and what's important? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on the one powerful skill that makes it all happen. Let's dive in.
I mean, really, how does your phone unlock just for you in a split second? And how does your inbox catch all that spam before you even see it? You know, it really feels like magic, but the answer is actually incredibly simple.
The answer to both of those questions, and honestly, so many more, is these two little words: pattern recognition. This is the secret ingredient, the core concept we're going to unpack right now.
Okay, so what is it really? Well, think of it as a computer's ability to just sift through mountains of information. We're talking millions of images, billions of words, just endless streams of data, and find the hidden connections, the things that repeat, the underlying structure. It's how AI learns to make sense of our messy, complicated world.
Yeah, I know, that definition's a little dry. So let's make it way more intuitive with a really simple analogy.
We're going to look at how an AI learns by comparing it to something we've all seen. How a small child learns to recognize something for the very first time. Think about it. Nobody hands a toddler a textbook about dogs. They just see dogs. Big ones, little ones, fluffy ones, dogs with short hair. And their brain, all on its own, starts to spot the patterns. Okay, 4 legs, fur, a tail, a snout. And pretty soon they can point at a dog they have never ever seen before and yell, "Doggy!" They've learned the pattern of a dog, not just memorized a list of the ones they've seen.
And here's the really cool part. Your brain is a world-class pattern recognition machine. You do this constantly without even thinking about it, recognizing a friend's voice in a crowd or spotting your car in a packed parking lot. AI is built on that exact same idea. It just uses data and does it on a scale that is almost impossible for us to even imagine.
So let's see how this really simple analogy of learning about dogs scales up to explain how artificial intelligence actually gets so smart.
The process is basically identical. A child might see, a few hundred, maybe a few thousand examples of dogs in their early years. An AI, on the other hand, is shown millions, sometimes billions of data points. We're talking millions of cat photos, millions of spam emails, millions of fraudulent transactions. It's the same learning process, just supercharged.
All right, now let's bring this all back home and look at where you are already using this incredible technology, probably every single day, without even realizing it. Let's start with your phone's Face Unlock. The AI was first trained on millions of faces to learn the general pattern of what a face looks like. Then, when you set it up, it learns the specific, unique pattern of your face. You know, the distance between your eyes, the shape of your nose. And that's why it still works when you're wearing a hat or the lights are low. It's matching the core pattern it learned. Or think about your spam filter. It's been shown billions of examples of junk mail, so it has learned the patterns. Those suspicious phrases like "you're a winner," or weird links, or sender addresses that are just slightly off. It's not reading your email and understanding it. It's just a machine that's really, really good at matching the patterns of spam it's seen before. Now, this one is a total lifesaver. Your bank's AI learns your personal spending pattern, where you shop, how much you normally spend. So if a charge for $5,000 suddenly pops up from a city you've never even been to, that breaks the pattern. The AI flags it instantly, protecting you. It's just a brilliant use of spotting when something doesn't fit. Okay, so we've covered what it is and how it works. But now we're at the most important point of this entire explainer. Seriously, if you take away only one thing from all this, make it this next point. This right here is the key. AI isn't thinking. It's not conscious. It is incredibly sophisticated, high-speed pattern matching. And when you start to see AI through that lens, everything about it starts to make a lot more sense. Let's be really clear about this difference. An AI matches new data against the patterns it learned from old data. That's its entire job. Human thinking, well, that involves actual understanding, common sense, reasoning about things we've never encountered before. They are fundamentally different things.
So the next time your smart assistant totally misunderstands what you said, or a photo app tags your friend as a complete stranger, the AI didn't get confused or make a bad decision. It just means the new data didn't neatly match a pattern it already knew, or it accidentally matched the wrong one. It's a matching error, not a thinking error.
And look, understanding this distinction is so important. It helps you see AI's incredible power, but also its very real limits.
On one hand, it's amazing at finding subtle patterns in massive data sets that no human could ever hope to find. But on the other hand, it has zero real-world context, so it can be fooled. It can also find patterns that are just coincidences, and, this is a big one, it can absorb and repeat the biases that are present in the data it was trained on.
So, the bottom line is this. From your music recommendations to medical diagnostics, this single concept, pattern recognition, is the engine that's driving the entire AI revolution. It's the simple secret behind all the smarts.
And now that you can kind of see behind the curtain, I'll leave you with a question. As you go about your day, the apps you use, the websites you visit, now that you know what to look for, where else do you see this powerful force of pattern recognition at work?